Good morning, everyone. I'm Laudiaann. Welcome back. Uh, Today is Monday. I do have to go to work today, but I just want to share with you the projects that I have made this past couple days. I did complete ponchos here. This is a child poncho. I think it's for a 5-year-old. Or, sometimes I make these ponchos and actually some of the adults buy it for themselves. I mean, I purposely make it for a little child, but some adults really like short ponchos. And let me put this one on so that you can see why they like it. I guess because it's cute and because it is short, but some adults wear them. So so I don't know who is going to have this poncho. It's either for a little child or for a younger adult. It doesn't matter because it does fit over their head. Uh, I just, it was a couple more rows I needed to do, but I ran out of yarn, so, but this is perfect size. And this one is actually very pretty. And the pattern to this one is this from Crochet Spot. Okay, and you can find her products on Etsy. She used to have her own premium store on her website. I wish she should still keep it because I really like her patterns. Now I have to buy individually, but this one, it's just like what the picture says. And you can wear it like this, like this, like exactly what it was sharing. Right, this is exact, and this is really pretty because it's very shiny. It's kind of like a bronze color. Very, very pretty. This would be nice if I make it in black, which I'm probably gonna buy black. And it does take 3 skeins of yarn to do this. So if I want to make another one, I have to buy three skeins of yarn of this color. And then this one, I got it off YouTube. This one's really pretty too. So it's kind of like a teenager size, adult size. It doesn't matter who gets it or who wants it. They will enjoy it. All right, so I am working on another poncho, and it's this color right here. It's kind of like a rainbow color. Yeah. It's very pretty. Everybody will enjoy that one. This yarn takes 2 skeins of yarn. It is a very jumbo. It's a bigger skein. I think it's 485 yards. Yeah, or 80 or grams. 482 grams, I believe. But I need 2 of these to make that poncho. And this one is not. This one's like 197. Skeins. So I have to buy 3. That one is 2. The other one, this one's 3. Well, welcome. Hope you guys enjoy my channel or my Facebook profile. I don't know which which what this video is going to be uploaded to, but I just wanted to make it and share my updates. I did make some Dachshund dogs for the craft show this coming up in October. I made some plants, some ladybugs, and um, cupcake purses, as you can see, and I made some frogs. So I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon and make America great again. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It's Laudiaann, and I am finishing up my beautiful poncho. Almost done. I just have like 3 more rows. And as you can see, I'm wearing my craft glasses. So that's what I'm doing right now. And today I am off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me sit back because I'm kind of far. There, I'm more comfortable. And today I'm off. I really think this one's really pretty. I need to make me another one so I can have one for myself. Yeah. I've been crocheting since I was 8 years old. Still have a passion for it. Never stopped crocheting. And followed my mother's footsteps. I know my mother's smiling down from heaven, watching me. I think I have 2 more rows after this one, and then I'm done. It took me a couple days to finish this poncho because I had to work. I actually started it on Sunday, I believe. And I do work Monday, Tuesday. And today's Wednesday, so it should be done. Like all my other rest of the ponchos I made last week.